Hey everybody, welcome to the exciting world of ping pong. You might know it as table tennis. It's a super fun game that anyone can play. You can play indoors or outdoors. You can play with your friends or family. Ping pong is like a smaller, faster version of tennis. It's a great way to exercise and have a blast at the same time. Get ready to jump around and hit a little ball with a paddle. It's easy to learn how to play. Don't worry if you've never held a paddle before. We're going to have so much fun learning together. Are you ready to learn all about ping pong? Let's go! Okay, let's learn how to play ping pong. You need a table, a net, a little ball, and paddles. You and your opponent each take turns hitting the ball. Here's how it works. You serve the ball by bouncing it on your side of the table, under the net, and onto your opponent's side. Then, they hit it back to you. You want to hit the ball so it bounces on your opponent's side. If you miss the ball, or hit it off the table, the other person gets a point. The first person to get to 11 points wins the game. But you have to win by 2 points. So if the score is 10-10, you have to keep playing until someone is ahead by 2 points. Ping pong is all about quick reflexes and having fun. Don't worry about being perfect when you're first starting out. Just keep practicing and you'll get better and better. Now let's talk about some cool ping pong skills. You can hit the ball with a forehand, like hitting a tennis ball. You can also hit it with a backhand, which is like hitting the ball under your arm. Want to be really fancy? Try a topspin serve. This makes the ball spin really fast, and it's harder for your opponent to hit back. You can also learn how to smash the ball. This is a powerful hit that's hard to return. It's like hitting a home run in baseball. The more you practice, the better you'll get at these skills. You'll be impressing your friends and family in no time. Ping pong is a very safe sport, but it's always important to be careful. Make sure you have enough space around you so you don't bump into anything. Always wear comfortable clothes and shoes that fit well. And don't forget to drink plenty of water, especially if it's hot outside. If you do get hurt, tell an adult right away. They can help you take care of any injuries. Ping pong is a great way to make friends, have fun, and get some exercise. So grab a paddle and give it a try. You never know, you might just discover your new favorite hobby. Here's a fun question to think about. If ping pong were an animal, what animal would it be?